Who was right on the money with one of these? Can I get a couple of examples? If you were right on the money with them, like you had something that was exactly written down. Diamond, what'd you write down?
For timely, where it's like, get where you need to go.
So getting to class on time, you had written that down. Perfect. And that's like exactly what timely is about, right? CJ, what'd you write down?
For give effort, don't fight, just says keep your hands.
Keep your hands to yourself. Right. Kafooty. Okay. Tamara, what'd you write?
I said for give effort, I said don't be throwing hands.
Don't be throwing hands. Okay. Here's what I want you guys to be thinking about as we do this next step, okay? Some of these are exactly what it says on there, right? Like if you said, don't be late to class, that's exactly what timely is. It gets to where you need to be in the shortest amount of time, okay? Some of these are more of an inference, right, which we've been practicing. An inference is like when you are a detective and you put the clues together to figure something out, right? It does not say on here, don't fight. Anywhere, right? It does not say in here anywhere, don't throw over the trash cans. Those would be inferences that we would have to make, right? Does that make sense? We're putting the clues together. We're inferring, okay, well, when it says respect all, that means that I should respect the custodians, even though that's not written on there, right? Make sense? Is there anything that we should add to this that you guys came up with, that you didn't think the committee came up with themselves when they made this? CJ, what do you think we should add?
Don't stop in the middle of the hallway.
Oh, but what about, is that an inference for one of these?
Timely.
What about give effort?
Respect. It's more respectful, not.
Look under give effort. Is there an inference you can make for don't stop in the middle of the hallway for give effort? Keep it moving? Kind of the same thing.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Right? I mean, am I right? Okay, keep it moving is kind of the same thing. Anything else that we can come up with, though? Because there's stuff that maybe the committee didn't think of that you guys would want to add. Anything else?
Be kind.
Be kind? Okay, where would you put be kind under, Katie? Let's put be kind on there, Miss Weiland. Can you put that? Because really that's not on there. It says be appropriate, but being kind I think would be good. Yeah. What else could we add? Anything else? What do you think, Asia?
Don't fuss, well, at least in front of boys.
Use appropriate language? Okay, where should that go? Oh, look. Yeah, CJ said it's already on there. Use appropriate language. Okay, it's already kind of on there. Diamond. Wait, I can't hear you. Sorry. Say it again, Diamond. Shut their mouth, Diamond. No. It's also kind of an inference. Use appropriate, respectful language. Okay, so is that on here at all? Have a respectful voice level. Right? That's already on there. Are people doing this? No. Maybe not, but it is on the list, right? Seth, what else?
This is more of a personal one, but not begging for something people are using.
Oh, what do you mean? Like asking people for stuff?
Like, way too many times. You will not believe how many times I've been using.
People ask you for your Game Boy? No, really? Oh my God. Could we put that under any of these four? What should we put it under? Respect? What if we added this? Respect others' property?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's add respect others' property to that. Could we, Miss Weiland? Okay, anything else that you think we should add? Yeah, Diamond, what else?
People need to stop stepping on shoes.
Stepping on each other's shoes? I mean, that's kind of like keep hands and feet to yourself, right? Okay. Tamara, what else?
Don't be skipping.
Don't be skipping class. Do you think that should go under timely? That's kind of get where you need to go. Maybe, Miss Weiland, what could we add? Here, let's come up with a phrase. All right, I'll wait till everyone's focused again. Thank you. Let's come up with a phrase that we could add under timely. Timely only has one thing to it. Should we add one more? That's like make sure you don't skip class, stay in class. You know, what can we say?
Don't be skipping. Don't be sitting there chit-chatting for like 10 hours.
How can we say it positively? How can we say it positively?
Don't socialize for a long time.
Or what about if we just say like socialize during passing time? Or like when it's appropriate or something like that. Would that be better? Use passing time effectively? Yeah. Let's do that. Let's use, Miss Weiland, could we add use passing time effectively?
Yeah, stop in the middle of the hallway.
Right, I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah. Okay, here's what we're going to do next, you guys. Is that it? Do we need anything else? I think that's pretty good. You guys only added, what, 2, 3 things, I think? That's pretty good. Okay, so they had covered a lot of it, right, with their posters. Here's what you guys are going to do. Go ahead and get out your Chromebooks and go to classwork, okay? I'm going to show you on my screen. Okay, I'm going to X out of this one. Okay. On Google Classroom, here's the top. go all the way to classwork, and go all the way to the bottom. And here we go. I want you to open up, it says Grit Classroom Sort. That's what I want you to open up, okay? It's called Grit Classroom Sort, and it looks like that. Whoop. It's called Grit Classroom Sort, and it looks like that. Just came undone. I'll just have to hold it. Okay, Grit Classroom Sort. Here's what I want you guys to do now, okay? Can everyone find that? Dylan, can you find that? Yeah. Okay, you got this pulled up? Here's what I want you guys to do now. I'm going to give you, should I give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes? I want you this time to write down as many classroom behaviors as you can this time. And you need to make them fit right with grit. Give effort, respect all, involve yourself, timely, okay? I want you to come up with as many classroom behaviors as you can and go.
Come on, it's not loading.
Oh, I have it on paper for those who need it on paper. So I'll give you one on paper. Yeah, let me give it to you on paper. I want to see just how many you can get done. Okay, 8 needed on paper. Who else? And CJ, you still need it or you got it? Yours is up. No. Do you need it on paper or you got it? You want to do it there? Do it there. Do it there. I'm going to hit the light so that when we do this together, we can see it a little bit better, okay? Trayvon, you need one? Who else needs this on paper? There you go. Adam, you want yours on paper? So you're going to do it on Post-it so you can put it on this paper? There you go. Anyone else need it on paper? Dylan, yours is not working? Here's paper. Anybody else? That's everyone. Liberty, my last one. There you go. I think it's still working. Okay. Falling. Okay, we're about halfway through. We're at about closing in on a minute and a half. We'll do 3 minutes. Just fill in as many as you can. Think about give effort. Think about respect all. Think about involve yourself. Think about timely. What does this mean for the classroom? Think about classrooms, right? Picture yourself in my classroom. Picture yourself in other classrooms. Yes. I just ran out, but I'll just get you a blank one, okay? Like a loose leaf. I'll fold it in 4, okay? How's this? Can you label it with GRIT? Okay. There you go. Think about give effort in the classroom. Think about respect all in the classroom. Think about involve yourself in the classroom, and then timely in the classroom, not the hallways anymore. What does that look like? Participate, part, P-A-R-T, I, parti, C-I-P-A-T-E, I think. I have to write it out. Is that right? Partis, I-C, yep. Partis, I, P-A-T-E. Okay, let's go for another like 30 seconds. And if you don't have all of them filled in, that's okay. We're going to do this together up on the screen. Miss Ryland's going to scribe for us. Yeah, we already passed. Okay, how about finish up here in the next like 10 seconds? Whatever you're writing, go ahead and finish writing that. Thank you. There you go. Oops, you just need one paper. There you go. Okay, so she's going to scribe for us here, and I'm going to take volunteers. I want to see what you guys chose for this, okay? I'm going to call on some people randomly because I want to see what you wrote. What I'm going to do with this after we're done is I'm going to give it to the PBIS committee after this. So they could make what we do into a poster. I don't know. But that would be pretty cool. So I'm going to give them our best suggestions, right? So it has to be like a brain trust. We all got to come together. We got to have the best suggestions. We don't want to repeat ourselves. So just like on the poster, we want it to be as succinct as possible. There's some places where we might need to make inferences. That's okay. And some things that we're going to need to say explicitly, which is okay. Seth, is that a hand? I'm going to call on you anyway. Seth, what do you think? What would you, let's start with give effort. What did you put under give effort? Well, give me one. Don't fight. Okay, how about this? Let's form it positively. What can we say, everybody? Let's work something in for give effort that would be a positive thing. That would be like similar to don't fight. What can we say under give effort? Keep your hands to yourself? Okay, similar to the hallway one. Let's do keep our hands to ourselves. Can we put that down there? Keep our hands to ourselves. That's fine. Okay, that's pretty good. You can make that font bigger too if it's too small. Keep our hands to ourselves. Good. I think it was keep hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves, right? Okay, we can continue that from the hallway one to the classroom one. Some of the rules are the same. Let's see. What else do we have for give effort? Dylan, what do you have for give effort? Yep, what'd you put down?
Don't litter.
Don't litter?
Yeah.
Okay. What about, so how can we say that positively? Pick up or pick up things behind you or something like that? Yeah, that would be good. Pick up after yourself. Let's do pick up after yourself. That's good effort. Yeah. Let's do another one of give effort. Dax, I'm going to call on you in a minute here. So think about which one you want to give us. CJ, you got one for give effort?
Keep a neat space, keep a tidy desk.
Do you feel like that's the same as pick up after yourself, or should it be separate?
Kinda.
You know what I mean? That's what I'm just thinking. What do you think, Katie's out of hand?
Stay on task.
Stay on task. Great point. Katie says stay on task. Let's do stay on task. That's really good. And then Diamond, do you have another one? Yeah. Participate is really good. Yeah. And that's what Liberty had that right, too. Or you asked me how to spell participate. Good. Is there anything else that we have not covered in give effort that you think is crucial? What do you think, Tamara?
Try your best.
Try your best. Do you feel like that's similar to stay on task, or should we make it separate?
Separate.
All right, try your best. Let's do try your best. Okay. Anything else for the classroom that we should write under give effort? Yep. Okay, let's go on to respect all. Please put your phone away if you're on your phone. Thanks, that's appreciated. Dax, what did you put under respect all? Respect the teachers and staff. We can do that. Let's do respect the teachers and staff. Okay, respect the teachers and staff. What else should we have under respect all? Kevin? Use appropriate language when talking to teachers. I mean, probably anyone, right? Yeah, we could just say use appropriate language would be good. That'd be another good respect one, yeah? Diamond, do you have your hand up, or am I crazy? I thought you had your hand up. CJ's had another hand? What do you got? Respect personal space. That's a really good one, actually. Some people don't know that, you know? Respect personal space. Okay, good. What else under respect all? Tamara?
Don't be cheating.
Is that respect all, though, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of could fit in there and it kind of could not. So, like, what about, like, how can we make it positive? Respect, what can we say? Respect other people's work and your own? Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Respect other people's work and your own. Good. Yeah, okay, good. Anything else?
Keep your eyes on your own paper.
It's kind of the same thing, maybe? Yeah. Yeah? Spencer, was that a hand?
Respect everyone's learning time.
Respect everyone's learning time. Oh my God, I love that. That's great. Respect everyone's learning time. Yeah, that's a great one. Okay. Is there anything else that we have not covered yet? Look at your paper, think about it. I mean, think, again, making an inference. Like if you have something like don't cheat, that's already kind of on there. You gotta make an inference to see. Is that on there? Is that already kind of mentioned, or is it not there at all? CJ, what do you think?
Have an appropriate tone, or like, don't yell first.
Have an appropriate tone. So what if we have use appropriate language and tone?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that, and tone. Okay, yeah, good.